Hi, okay, this is the cardiovascular system, part 3. Okay, the learning outcome for this part 3 is to identify different types of blood vessels. Okay, kita nak tengok jenis-jenis salur darah and also their functions. Okay, alright, blood vessel. So, what is blood vessel? Salur darah is our human blood flows in a closed system. Closed system maksudnya tertutup lah inside our body. Okay, essentially within the vessels that carry it. Alright, blood vessel structure. Okay, except capillaries. So, kita ada dua kat sini yang sama. Arteries and vein. So, kalau bahasa Melayu, artery dan vena. Okay, satu lagi capillaries. Okay, capillaries tu yang paling kecil. Okay, alright. The structure of blood vessels, ini except capillaries. Maksudnya only vein dengan artery sahaja ada. We have tunica intima. Okay, tunica media, tunica adventitia. Okay, maksudnya intima ni lapisan yang paling dalam, media yang tengah, adventitia yang paling luar. Okay, capillary walls are composed of the tunica intima only. Okay, sebab dia hanya ada satu je layer, dinding dia. Okay, this is the blood vessel structure. This is artery, this is vein. Structure tadi tu nampak macam sama, dia punya lapisan dia, tunica intima, tunica media ataupun adventitia ataupun nama lain dia tunica externa. External yang paling luar. Alright, now I want you to see closely on this picture what are the difference between arteries and the vein. Okay. Selalu soalan ni keluar, so I want you to focus. Alright, the artery, first we look at the lumen. Lumen of the artery and lumen of the vein. Okay, lumen of the artery you will see here is smaller. Nampak lebih kecil kan? Compared to lumen of the vein. Vein lumen dia lebih besar. Why? Because artery carry oxygenated blood. Okay. Vein carry deoxygenated blood. So, I have told you before in the previous video that oxygenated blood carry more pressure than deoxygenated blood. So, bila tekanan dia lebih tinggi, dia punya diameter of lumen smaller. Okay, so that dinding dia lebih tebal. The wall of the artery is thicker than wall of the vein. Okay, so macam getah paip, kalau you punya lubang tu lebih besar, air dia mengalir lebih lambat atau lebih slow. Okay, compare tu bila you kecilkan saluran tu, lubang tu, so tekanan dia lebih tinggi. Okay, sama. It goes same to the artery and vein. Okay, the second difference is, I already told you about the wall. Wall of the artery is thicker than vein. And then satu lagi, kalau you perasan here, valve. Vein contain valve, but not the artery. Tak ada valve. Okay. Sebab apa? Sebab because of the low pressure of the vein, so darah tu dia nak kena tolak naik ke atas, naik ke jantung. So bila dia ada valve, it helps to push the blood and helps to prevent the blood from going backflow. Okay, sebab tu vein contain valve. So ada tiga different kat sini. Lumen, okay, the diameter of the lumen, one is smaller, one is bigger. The wall of the blood vessel, wall of artery is more thicker than the vein, and then one more is valve. Okay, only vein contain the valve. Alright. Okay, we start with the arterial system first. Arteries. So, arteries carry blood away from the heart. Okay, means that darah yang keluar from the heart, it will be carried by the arteries. Okay, arterial blood is oxygenated, except blood in the pulmonary arteries. Pulmonary arteries sahaja yang deoxygenated. Dia tak ada oksigen sebab dia berada, pulmonary arteries ni, if you remember, dia adalah salur darah from right ventricle to the lungs. Okay, buka balik gambar jantung tu, you check mana location pulmonary arteries. Okay, so arteries divided into 3 groups: elastic arteries, muscular arteries, arterioles. Okay. Okay, ni you tengok gambar example from the heart here. Arterial system, it carry the blood away. So it's starting with the elastic arteries. Okay, dia membawa darah dulu. So bila dia pecah ke kita punya tangan, kaki, bahagian-bahagian badan, part of our body, it become muscular arteries. Okay, yang pergi ke arah muscle kita namanya muscular arteries. Alright, and then jika yang bahagian paling kecil-kecil nak ke capillaries tu, ni this is capillaries the exchange vessels between arteries and veins. So sebelum sampai capillaries ni adalah arterioles, the resistant vessels. Okay, dia adalah dahan yang terakhir before reach the capillaries. Okay. Now, this is what okay. Biasa tak ambil nadi, nadi di bahagian-bahagian badan. Okay, usually you akan tahu biasanya orang akan ambil di radial artery. Okay, check nadi kan di sini, radial artery, and satu lagi di sini namanya carotid artery. Okay, dia ada banyak lagi tempat. Kita ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 places to detect the pulse in our body. So tempat-tempat ni adalah tempat untuk kita detect salur darah tu ada tak pengaliran darah tu berlaku. Okay. Sila ingat. Alright. Okay, wait okay, this is the capillaries. Okay, this is the capillaries, the exchange vessel between arteries. Arteries ni yang warna merah. Kenapa dia warnakan dengan warna merah? Sebab it contain oxygen. Okay, yang warna biru ni adalah vessel. Vein. Veins. Okay, the arterioles is the smallest arteries, yang paling kecil sekali. So it branches into smaller arteries and then into the smallest arterioles before reach the capillaries. So capillaries is the smallest blood vessels. Okay, so arterioles will enter the body tissues and reach the capillaries. So the bridge between the arterial and venous system, dia adalah jambatan between arterial and venous system. Okay, exchange of materials such as gases, nutrients and hormones. Okay, venous system, veins start with the venous. So venous, blood drains from the capillaries. Okay, apa darah yang keluar from the capillaries into the venous. So the tiny vein, venous adalah tiny vein yang paling kecil sekali that unite to form larger venules and veins. So yang paling besar salurannya adalah veins lah. So veins is carry blood toward the heart. Dia akan membawa darah ke jantung. Okay, it carry deoxygenated blood from body tissues to the heart. Okay, except pulmonary vein. Okay, pulmonary veins ni pula location dia from the lungs into the left atrium. Itu dia carry oxygenated blood. Okay. So veins contain paired semilunar valve that permit blood to flow only one direction. Okay, so remember valve, it restrict any backflow. Okay. Alright. Ini kalau gambarannya lah arteries here. Veins ni dia punya salur darah dia lebih besar lah, lebih tengok Okay. Ni example direction of the blood ni, contohnya kalau kita berdiri, so darah yang daripada kaki nak naik ke atas tu, dia dibantu oleh contracted of the skeletal muscle. Okay, so bila skeletal muscle contract, the valve will open and then it helps push the blood up into the heart. Okay. Alright, circulatory pathways. Okay, it has two circulatory pathways. One is pulmonary circulation, which carries deoxygenated blood. Okay, carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. So maksudnya blood tu dia membawa, circulation tu, it carries blood from the heart to the lungs, where carbon dioxide is removed and oxygen is added. And then it carries back oxygenated blood back to the heart. So namanya pulmonary circulation. So dia hanyalah circulate between heart and lung sahaja. Okay, and one more circulation is systemic. Okay, systemic circulation circulate between the heart and the body system or the body tissue. It supplies the tissues of the body with oxygenated blood, okay, and returns deoxygenated blood to the heart. So remember, pulmonary circulation circulate between heart and the lungs. Systemic circulation circulate between heart and the body system. Okay, right, yang color biru ni adalah schematic flow chart. Ini adalah from okay, this is from the heart to the lungs. Okay, so ini adalah pulmonary circulation. Okay, between the heart and the lungs.